Giant Ionic Lattice Structure by KayScience.com. In this video, we're going to learn how ionic compounds have giant ionic lattice structures. An ionic substance is a substance made of oppositely charged ions held in a fixed position by strong ionic bonds. This particle diagram represents the 3D arrangement of ions held in a giant ionic lattice structure by strong ionic bonds. The red circle represents cations, which are positively charged ions, and the blue circle represents anions, which are negatively charged ions. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. This giant ionic lattice structure consists of tightly packed ions held in a fixed position. Just like any solid, they vibrate about their fixed position. The oppositely charged ions have a regular repeating arrangement. This is why we say it has a lattice structure. A lattice structure always has a regular repeating arrangement. And there are ionic bonds between every oppositely charged ion. These are the strong electrostatic forces of attraction that keep the ions in place. So overall, for any ionic substance, we say the structure is a giant ionic lattice. We say it is a giant structure because it is a very large structure consisting of billions of ions. An ionic substance can increase or decrease in size depending on how many oppositely charged ions are present in the giant ionic lattice structure. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.